Hey, so let's talk about what people do. You know, we said there's problems, and some of the problems that I've seen for many, many years. Listen, I've been involved in records and technical publications for over 30 years at an airline. Okay. And so, you know, and today we find ourselves that so many people have paper, people have, you know, PDFs of those documents. You know, there's maybe certification problems. We're seeing that some people put those into, you know, full digital, but people don't even know what that really means. And so really the question is that when we have those kind of problems that exist, what are some of the solutions that people could be doing, you know, just from an execution standpoint?
Yeah, well, maybe we have some viewers here who are not so familiar in that particular requirements of the aerospace industry. I want to repeat that, or point out that archiving of technical documentation of quality certificates and stuff like this throughout the whole supply chain and for all the lifetime of the product, that is quite a challenge. Such an aircraft may fly for 30 plus years, and it may have taken 10 plus years to provide all the products in there. So that means from a manufacturer standpoint, you may have to secure your documentations for 30 or 40 years in reality. And this is not only for the aircraft manufacturer, it's also for the product manufacturers and suppliers. That's a huge challenge. And well, the situation as it is today, people put it in their shelves in warehouses. They try to protect it from mice, from light, from anything, with limited success, I would say. And in case something happens, something like you suddenly get a call from FAA and they say, you got to give me those records of that plane. It's been built 25 years ago. Go ahead and give it to me. You have the weekend and then I need the information. You know, that kind of moment, no entrepreneur wants to live through that, because that information is almost not traceable. Now, that is only one requirement. Why? The technologies that we have on hand today and the combination of technologies, digital plus blockchain, secure archiving, cloud technology, put them together. And this is something that is very easy today to be taken care of.
Yeah, yeah.